Find the distance between these 2 points. This would be on a graph. You would be required to use this long distance formula, where you take the 2 x's, you subtract them, squared, and you do the same thing with the 2 y's, squared. So D would be equal to, let's subtract the 2 x's, so that'll be 6 take away 0. And subtract the 2 y's, 5 take away -1. Both of those squared. 6 take away 0 squared is 6. Square that'll be 36. 5 take away -1, that's 6 also. Square that is 36. 36 and 36 add together to be 72. Remember, you get to use this calculator right here. 36 plus 36. You know that's 72. And then we want to take the square root of that, which means you just hit the square root button. 8 point, round to 2 decimal places, 8.49. Okay. Remember, on this calculator here, you don't do square root button first. You do whatever you want and then hit enter. That doesn't get you anywhere. If you want to know the square root of 16, you type in 16 and then you hit the square root button. Okay? 23. Use the given conditions to write an equation for the line and point slope form and in general form. This is considered general form. We have everything on one side, and you really want to keep that x positive, that x coefficient positive. So passing through and parallel. So I need to know the slope of this little fellow right here. So 9x minus gives me -7x is equal to -9x. And when I divide by the -7, I get a positive. And I need to know this little thing right here. So my slope is 9/7. Slope form first, point slope form first. So y minus y1, slope x minus x1. So y minus 5 is equal to 9/7 x plus 8. So that would go in this first blank. The equation of the line in general form. So we just need to clean that up and make it look like this up here. So I am going to go through and multiply everything by 7. 7y minus 35 is equal to 9x plus 8. I didn't multiply the parentheses with an 8. This is considered one term. And you only get 1 7, so I canceled out the 7. I'm going to distribute the 9. See, I like that the x over here is positive, so I'm going to bring both of these over to the other side. So 0 is equal to 9x. Subtract the 7y. And I will add 35 over to the 72. So 72 plus, I don't need a calculator for that, 107. So this will be where we would put the 9x minus 7y is equal to 107 right there.